Hello, it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic. I am back with Moda Blockheads 6 for week 14, and I was very excited when I first saw this pattern. For the first time, I was pretty excited, thinking this is going to be a nice quick one, it's going to be an easy one, so let's see how we get on. You can see here I've got a new ruler. So many times I've made the mistake of drawing the diagonal line and sewing on it rather than at the sides of it. So I thought this is really going to help me remember just to sew on that line and get an accurate measurement as well. And so far so good, I am enjoying it. It is a little bit narrow when you're drawing the lines, you've got to keep your fingers out of the way. But apart from that, yeah, I'm glad I purchased it. It was only about $10, I got it 40% off at Spotlight in Australia. So this first bit goes pretty easy enough. I'm definitely enjoying this program, and you can see here I decided on this one to start to press my seams open because I did watch the video and they did suggest doing that on this particular one. By the way, I apologise for my croaky voice. I have not been very well at all, but I didn't want to hold off posting this video because it is a nice quick one. And I hope you like my new video layout as well. I've tried to set up my cameras a little bit different so you can see my pressing station a bit better as well. So if you like the looks of the new one, leave me a comment below. I am still trying to work on these shadows though, so if you've got any hints and tips for me, please let me know. I am going to try and move around the lighting a little bit. So you can see here I've managed to cut and shape the first half square triangles, and again, first time ever, I actually had a little bit of space left to actually cut away. So far so good with this. This is where we get on to a little bit of a mistake. Completely my mistake, nothing to do with the pattern or instructions. But as I'm sewing these, you can see as I cut these, I realised that I've not actually put this fabric right sides together. So I do have to unpick one of these and try and re-sew it again very close to the edge. But yes, mistake number one. Yes, there are more mistakes to come. Despite all of that, I did really enjoy doing this. My overall mistake, give you a bit of a spoiler alert now, you could probably see it looking at this fabric. I think I chose the fabric design completely wrong on this. It's really hard to see the design at the end of it because of the way these two fabrics are so very similar in each other. But nevertheless, I did still enjoy making this. So you can see here as I'm kind of putting these aside, how it's all going to look, and this is where I realise, and I do wonder whether I should start again, but I was in a bit of a rush. I had plans on this particular day and I knew I could knock this out very, very quickly, so I thought I'd just press on with what I've got. You can see here I'm just sewing all of these rows together. So I do sew together the pinwheel in the middle, and this is again another mistake where I realise I've actually sewn the wrong ends together, so it doesn't actually make a pinwheel. So again, seam ripper comes in handy, doesn't it? I don't think there's been a project yet that I haven't got the seam ripper out. And would you believe it, I do sew this again the wrong way when I get the two rows right, but then when I sew it on the two rows together, I also make a mistake. But anyway, this is the bit where you can see that I'm finally doing it right. When it comes to cutting though, this was another mistake I made. I wasn't following those diagonal lines very well, so when I did my first lot of cutting, it wasn't completely centered. Then it's time to move on to my most enjoyable side. I do like seeing this coming together, where I'm sewing all of the horizontal rows together, the top, the middle and the bottom. And as you can see, first time ever, I actually have excess fabric to cut away. Very excited with this. So this has been the first project that I've done with Moda Blockheads 6 where I've actually got the capacity to actually trim away and get this nice and the perfect size that I need. So this is a 9.5 by 9.5 finished block for the first time. Just a pity about the fabric choice, but you live and learn, and I definitely enjoyed doing this one. So I hope you enjoyed watching along with me, and I'll see you next time. Have a great crafting weekend.